In 1913, International Harvester introduced one of the most unique vehicles of its time, the Model MW Auto Wagon. This vehicle became a pioneer in agricultural transportation, blending the features of a truck and an off-road vehicle, making it an ideal fit for the roads of early 20th century America. The Model MW Auto Wagon was powered by a two-cylinder, opposed gasoline engine with water cooling. With a displacement of 159 cubic inches, the engine produced around 20 horsepower, which was impressive for the time. The engine was accessible through a panel under the seat or from underneath the vehicle itself. The vehicle was equipped with a two-speed mechanical transmission with a reverse gear and a double chain drive, which sent power to the rear wheels. This mechanical setup was incredibly reliable and simple, making it easier to maintain and repair. The vehicle featured high wooden wheels with rubber tires, ensuring excellent performance on rough and unpaved roads. Despite the relatively low maximum speed of about 30 miles per hour, the vehicle was ideal for its intended purpose, transporting goods and people through rural areas where quality roads were scarce. One of the Model MW's most notable features was its versatility. The design allowed the vehicle to be used for transporting a variety of goods, from agricultural produce to everyday items. The adaptable body could be configured for different uses, making it incredibly practical for farmers and local communities. The Model MW was designed to tackle the challenges of rural landscapes. Its high wheels and sturdy suspension allowed it to navigate muddy and uneven terrain with ease, a necessity in rural areas where paved roads were few and far between. Additionally, the vehicle's simple and reliable mechanical design meant it could be easily serviced and repaired by the owners themselves, lowering maintenance costs and increasing its autonomy in rural areas. The Model MW Auto Wagon also played a crucial role in the development of agricultural transportation. It showcased the potential for vehicles to aid in the farming industry and daily life, making the transition from horse-drawn carts to motorized transport much smoother. This innovative vehicle helped pave the way for further developments in agricultural machinery and vehicles, enhancing the quality of life for many farmers and small business owners. Today, the Model MW Auto Wagon is a valuable historical artifact, preserved in museums and private collections. It stands as a remarkable example of early 20th century engineering and a reminder of how technology was helping to address the everyday needs of society at the time. If you're interested in learning more about the fascinating history of unique vehicles and agricultural machinery, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos filled with incredible stories and unique machines.